Welcome to Blackout Tinting and welcome to What's in the Shops. We're going to take you on a tour through all of them. We'll start here in Latrobe in the PPF bay. We've got JM installing some paint protection film on the headlight of this Corvette. This car previously had work done by us and the owner of it decided he would like to finish the full wrap. So that's what this team's working on right now. You got Max, Aaron, and JM on this. And right beside that, Bryant is finishing cleaning up a Ram T-Rex. This came from our friends at Hillview Motors. Got some PPF on the front end, and we always make sure the car goes home cleaner than when it showed up. Behind the T-Rex is a Ford Ranger Raptor. Car was wrapped in stealth, not by us, by somebody else, and then it came here for a ceramic coating. So it's sitting here prepped, ready to go. A lot of people don't realize you can coat over top of film, especially stealth film. You can. It doesn't really change the appearance of the film, and you still get all of those benefits. Behind me, this is a fun car. Infiniti G37, I think it is, came in for a paint correction, and the difference is just absolutely unbelievable. If you catch this over here, we 50-50'd it for you. So we put a line of tape down the middle, polished one half and not the other, and I don't know if you can get the reflection of a light. That's the bad side, and there's the good side. The depth and the clarity are unbelievable. There's lots and lots of metal flake that you really can't even tell is there on this side. All those micro scratches, swirl marks, we're able to remove. Is it perfect? No. The car has some miles on it. There's a lot of rock chips, little dents, things like that. But outside, this thing's going to look awesome. It looks like it's dripping wet. All we're doing is a correction, no coating on that. In front of that's a Wagoneer. I've been driving one of these around as a rental car while our Rivian is getting repaired from somebody hitting it, and it's awesome. Very cool car. Very enjoyable to drive. They're huge on the inside. But this one's getting a ceramic coating. It's polished and prepped. Coating should be going down soon. Right beside that is our friend Tom. He brought us this Ram for ceramic coating a couple of weeks ago. One of the wheels needed repaired, so the wheel got repaired, and now it was time to recoat the wheel. And outside, we've got a Bronco we just spoke to the owner of. We did some PPF work on this before, and now it's back to schedule a window tint appointment. And the Porsche Boxster. This one we did a full vinyl wrap on, doing some finishing touches on it. Beside Porsche and the Jeep, this is Becca's Jeep, we've got a Toyota Tundra. This one we did some PPF on, and there was an edge or two that needed trimmed. We always stand behind our work, always take care of it. I think we did that a little bit ago. And this Silverado was in for PPF. And over here is an interesting car. It's a Dodge Challenger that the gentleman is kind of converting to like a Cuda, which is pretty cool. So he's got the Cuda fenders and the grille and the rear taillight covers, and the wing is similar to an old Cuda as well, same with the whole trunk deck. And he wanted something that resembled the old Cuda 440 graphic on the side of the door. So he brought us a little model, and we went off of that model, and we were able to produce that. And I think we hit what he was looking for. Over here, Toyota Sequoia. This one's here for front window tint. I want to say it's the next one up. Up front, we've got two Cybertrucks. This one was tinted and wrapped black, and the one beside it was tinted and wrapped with KPMF green. I haven't seen one this color or even close to this color yet in person. I love it, but I'm biased. I love lime green on everything. Let's see what's happening at our North Pittsburgh store and South Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, ready to go home, is the C8 Z06. We did some 10 mil paint protection film down here on the front splitter, and we did the two front windows in Prime XR 70%. That way you cannot even tell they're tinted, but it does block out 99.9% of UV A and B and 98% of the infrared heat that you feel. Another completed job is this 2025 CT5. We did a full paint correction and 4-year coating on the entire outside of the vehicle and tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this 2016 GMC Canyon. Being it's a 2016, it does have a fair amount of micro swirls and micro scratches on it. So we're going to take care of all of those and do a 4-year coating on the entire body. In the tint bay, we got Cole doing a set of fronts on this Model Y, 20% to match the factory tint. Next up for tint is a fun little project on this Polaris Ranger. We're tinting the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield. In the wash bay, we got Jason working on this Ram. This is in for its annual ceramic coating checkup. Back in the PPF bay, we got a Bronco Raptor in for some miscellaneous paint protection film, the entire flares, the entire fenders, partial hood, and the front bumper. We also tinted the two front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. Up on the lift, we have a very special Porsche. This is a brand new 2025 911 Turbo S 50th anniversary edition. I'm told this is one of 99. Very, very unique color and interior. This is getting a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Here, this Lamborghini STO came in for full removal of paint protection film and reinstallation of XPEL Ultimate 8 and topped off with a 4-year coating. This hood was done in one piece 72-inch XPEL Ultimate to achieve that flawless look without having any worry about any seams, any dirt buildup. Looks like an original painted piece. Here we have this Escalade V that's back for its 2 weeks maintenance wash after receiving a full body XPEL paint protection film. We always make sure the customer comes back 2 weeks after, that we can walk over the entire vehicle and make sure that everything that we did is still looking flawless. Here we have this BMW M3 that's in for a full ceramic tint all around in our 20%. Here we got this Chevy Silverado 2500 Bison Edition with an AEV package that received a full front and A-pillar kit in our XPEL Ultimate paint protection film, and now it's getting an 8-year premium coating on the entire vehicle, the glass and the wheels.
This hood is probably one of the most challenging hoods to do, especially on a black vehicle. We were able to accomplish it in one piece, no seams, with absolutely zero distortion on any of the crevices.
Here we have this 911 that's in for a full front paint protection film and a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle.
Join us next week on What's in the Shop Wednesday.